You can make your construction project a huge success when you realize that it is a collaborative effort with you and your contractor. Your contractor is entered into a partnership agreement with you, a contract. You guys are on the same team working towards the same goals. Unfortunately, some people take an adversarial approach to their contractor. This guy's not doing this right, he's not doing that right. But the thing is, if you keep the lines of communication open, clearly communicate your goals for the project to your contractor, and have an open pathway for a dialogue there, then you're going to find that success comes a lot easier than if you're fighting them along the way.